Open on mo.
Baka meron to may coronavirus.
Oo nga, made in China. We're asked to install this headlights, special headlights for the Mazda Miata. I think this is the ballast controller for each side. I think this is just an extension or adapter. Adapter no? Pag ibang socket. Ano ang instruction? Tingnan sa ilalim. Hawakan mo na. So ganyan, ito sa headlight. Ito adapter lang talaga kasi ibang socket, di ba?
Oo.
So ito, tatap dun sa ano, park light. Remove this plastic. This plastic protector. Oo nga. Liwanag din, no?
Pakat mo siya. Taas mo lang.
So whenever you install this, the bigger beam should be located at the bottom and the smaller beam should be located at the top, like that. So when installing this headlight, you need to remove this plastic cover surrounding the headlight, the truck headlight. There are 4 screws, 2 in each side. Sige, tanggalin mo yung Phillips. Then there are 3 Phillips screws. You can just loosen it a little, then rotate this counterclockwise to remove the ring that holds the headlight. You will notice there's a bigger round area where if after you loosen this Phillips screw, it's where the screw will pass. So all you have to do is just rotate this ring counterclockwise.
Siguro yun yung nilalagay ni Ironman sa dip niya.
Then you have to remove the headlight cover. There are 4 screws also, 2 at each side. Actually, you just need to loosen the screws at each side because you can slide the top cover after loosening it. We didn't totally remove the screw here, it's stubborn. Here's a guide. This should align at this slot.
Sa sina kaya meron ito?
Oh, square beam yun. Square headlight.
Hindi kasi performance car eh.
Hindi, standard to kahit yung mga pang Jeep Wrangler eh.
Hindi ka yung wala silang nilabas
Yung ganito.
Oo. Kahit ito ka paano performance alam nilang papatukin.
Sabagay.
Di ba? Kasi malamang madalas na bibili ito puro Miata.
Ay, pati yung Jeep Wrangler kasi sikat eh. Mahalin.
Miata L3.
L300 yung headlight ng
Diba?
Then plug this ballast controller to the headlight assembly, as you can see here, and the other end to your headlight harness. These 2 wires are for the park light. You just have to tap it here. It's your park light connection here, so that whenever you turn on your park light, this halo light here will turn on also. This is your clearance light, park light with the signal light. So in order to locate the park light here, you just have to compare the color of the wires at the other side. The park light will be the same color as to the other side. The signal light is different from the left and the right.
Green yung
You just
signal
have
light.
to check the harness side socket for that clearance light. Like this one,
Kasi yung park, ito yung park.
red with black wire. Sa kabila, harness side, anong color? Harness side ng socket.
Red with black din. Kumbaga,
Tapos to, green with white, dyan,
green with black.
green with black. Therefore, the green with white is the signal light, because from the other side, the left hand side, it's green with black. So the green with white is the signal light. Red with black is the park light, because the left hand side is also red with black, di ba? So this is the park light. The black one is the ground. So you will tap the halo light to your red with black wire and the black wire. Red with black wire is the positive, black wire is the negative. For the halo light, the red wire is the positive and the green wire is the negative. Open on mo. Yan. Okay. Headlight. Yan. Patay mo yung headlight. Patay mo yung park light. Baba mo yung yung pop-up. On mo yung headlight. Yan. Off ulit. On. Okay.